सी काल म्हाका इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें सकाळी की एक व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाला इन्वॉल्विंग स्विमिंग कोच Mr. Ganguly. Now, immediately we decided, my secretary informed me, and I immediately told him that first his services should be discontinued because, on the request of many parents, we had written to the Sports Authority of Goa asking them to provide him the swimming pool lanes at Mapusa swimming pool to train the swimmers. For the last 2 years, he has been training the swimmers in Mapusa pool. So when this incident came to light yesterday, immediately secretary has written to the Sports Authority of Goa asking them to discontinue his services with immediate effect. Now, till today, there has not been any official complaint lodged with us nor any information given to us. But in the last assembly session, I had forcefully urged the government to appoint a lady coach, mainly because the number of girls coming for swimming, participating in swimming championship is increasing day by day. So parents have been requesting us that why don't you engage a lady coach, and that is why we had strongly pleaded. I had pleaded in the assembly, and the chief minister had also promised that he will take steps to see that a lady coach is appointed.